Good morning, student. So, in the last class, we have started a new topic, and it is a very important topic, that is your Carnot map. Why we are using Carnot map? We are using Carnot map basically to minimize the Boolean algebra, because it is very difficult by using Boolean laws to minimize more than 3 or 4 variables. So, basically, K map we are using for minimization of Boolean logic. So, what is the benefit of minimizing a logic expression? The benefit is the number of hardware got reduces, and so that the size of the device as well as the cost of the devices also reduces. So, from now onwards we are going to use this K map in each and every logic circuit design. So, please kindly pay attention to this lecture, so that we will have a command over this how I am going to solve problems on K-map. So, in the last class also I have solved few questions on K-map. In this lecture we will extensively study about K-map. So you can see here I have I have drawn two K-map. Basically, this is a 3 variable K-map and this is a 4 variable K-map. So A, B, C. So you can hear this. I have explained in the last class also. This is your most significant bit and this is your least significant bit. Similarly, this is your most significant bit and this is your least significant bit in a function. So f is a function which consists 3 variables a, b, c. So always 3 variables means we have total number of 3 variables. So total number of cell we can draw 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3, that is 8 cells. So always we have to keep the most significant bit here and the remaining variables here. So a, this is a single variable. This single variable can be 0 or 1. This can be 0 or 1. BC can be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Why I am writing here 1 1? Because in K map we are using gray codes. We are not using the binary code, which is in a form of 0 1 2 3. We are using gray codes. Why gray codes? Because in gray codes the distance between the two codes, distance between the two consecutive codes differ by only 1 bits. The distance between the two consecutive codes differ by only 1 bits. That's why gray codes we are using in K-map. So here you can see 0 1, this is the cell number 0, cell number 1, 3 2 4 5 7 and 6. Why 7? You can see here A is 1, B is 1, BC is 1 1. So 1 1 1. In binary 1 1 1 means 7 in decimal. You have to see here 1 then 1 0. That's why this cell number is 6. 1 then 0 0. That's why this cell number is 4. 0 0 0. That's why this cell number is 0. 0 0 1. This cell number is 1. So individually this is your number of cells. So total number of cells depends on the number of variables you are using. So 3 variable 2 to the power 3. That's why we have 8 cells starting from 0 to 7. In 4 variable K-map we have 16 cells, and here this is very important. In your examination they will ask you one question surely from this 4 variable K-map, that is 0 1 3 2, then we have 4 5 7 6. Why this cell is 7? Because here 0 1, here 1 1. So 0 1 1 1, 0 1 1 1. So 0 1 1 1 means we have binary 7. Similarly 1 1 0 0, 1 1 0 0 means this cell is 12, 13 15 14. So after 4 5 7 6, the next row is not 8 9 11 and 10. The next row is 12 13 15 14. This is very important. Students generally make mistake here. So 12 13 15 and 14 is the third row. Then we have 8 9 11 and 10. In this way we can design the 3 variable and 4 variable K-map. So let us solve few examples so that we have a command over this how to use this K-map for your minimization of sum of product and product of sum expression. So first in case they directly give minimized expression, you have to convert it into in canonical form or your standard form. So after standard form we can write its min terms. Sum of product min terms, and in product of sum, the individual term is known as max term. So these are the new terms for you. So kindly pay attention to it. So in sum of product, each term is known as your min terms, and addition of all the min terms always gives you 1. Addition of all the min terms always gives you 1. That means if all are 1 here, then the combination of 8 cell is give you 1. So next we will see how to solve some questions on K-map. So the question is, minimize, and the function is given as f abc is equal to summation of min terms of 2 3 0 2 3 6 7 0 2 3 6 and 7. So this is the expression they have given you, and you need to minimize the expression. So how to minimize this expression? As this is a 3 variable K-map, hence we need to draw 8 cells, and starting from 0 to 7. So here the most significant bit is A, and thereafter BC. So keep A here. A can be 0 or 1. BC, this is 0 0 0 1, then 1 1 and 1 0. So this cell is 0 1, then 3, then 2, then you have 4 5 7 and 6. As I have written here in the corner of each box, this is actually the cell number. This is not the min terms, this is actually the cell number. Now which min terms are present in the expression? 0 2 3 6 and 7. So 0 2 3 6 7, you need to write 1 here, because all the min terms always gives you 1. So 0 is 1, then we have no 1s are present, so 1 number cell you have to fill it with 0, then we have 2, then we have 3, then we have 6 and 7. So first we need to see adjacent cells only. So remaining these 4 and 5 are also 0. So in sum of product expression, you need to combine all the adjacent ones. So what we can see here? We can see here this 4 variable. First we have to see whether it is possible to combine all the 8 cells. This is not possible at all, because we have 0 here. If at all ones are present, then we can combine the entire K-map, the entire 8 cells. Since we have 0 here, so next we have to see whether it is possible to combine 4 cells. Yes, it is possible to combine 4 cells, 1 1 1 1. Then we have to see whether it is possible to combine again 4 cells. So there is no possibility of another 4 cell. There is a possibility, then we have to check whether it is possible to combine 2 cells. Yes, it is possible to combine 2 cells. How these 2 cells? This is 1 and this corner. So we can see here, this is actually why I am combining this, why this is, you can see here this cell is very far from here, but this is actually adjacent. Why adjacent? Because this cell number is 0 0 0 0 0 0, and this cell number is 0 1 0 0 1 0. So see, only differ by only 1 bit, hence these cells are adjacent cells. This cell and this cell is adjacent, this cell and this cell is also adjacent cells. So So now we can see how to minimize. First we need to see this bigger 4 cell. In the bigger 4 cell, which variable is changing? A is changing, 0 and 1, this is changing, so this cannot be possible. We have 1 1 1 0, so you can see here C is changing, this 1 is changing to 0, so don't, whichever variable is changing, we no need to take it. Only the constant variable throughout the cell, the constant variable is B. Here is also B is 1, here is also B is 1, hence this is B. Again you need to see here 0 is common for this combination of two cells, 0 is common, so you need to take it as 0 is common means we have A bar, because this is sum of product association. Here 0 is considered as variable bar, hence I am taking it as A bar. Then we need to see among this 0 0, between this 0 0 and 1 0, so B is changing but C is constant. C is constant means 0, here is also 0, so A bar, C bar, A bar and C bar. So the expression will be B plus A bar and C bar. So finally this minimized expression F is equal to B plus A bar C bar. Next we will see another problem. Where the function is given as f abc and the mean terms are present 1 3 6 7, mean terms are 1 3 6 7. So how to write this? Zero 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 1 1 1 1 0. We have 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. We must number the cells first. We must number the cells first. Then inside that number, whichever mean terms are present, we write 1 there, and where the mean terms are not present, we write 0. So this is, we can see here. 0 is not present, so 0, 1 is present, so 1, then 3, then 6 and then 7. Remaining terms are 0 only. Remaining terms are 0 only. So is it possible to combine all the 8 cells? No. After 8 cell combination, we have to see first 8 cell, then 4, then 2 in terms of 2 power. So 8 possible cells are, we cannot combine 8 possible cells because we have 0 0 0 and 0 here. Then you need to see whether it is possible to combine 4 cell or not. This is not possible here because 1 1 1 1. Here if this is not 0 and this is 1 here, then we can combine all these adjacent cell. So after that we need to see whether 2 possible combination are possible here or not. Yes, you need to combine this, you need to combine this. No need to take this one and this one because all the mean terms are shared by other cell, hence this is redundant, so no need to take that. So 1 1 1 1. So this can be written as, here you need to see here A is 1 and throughout all these cell A is common, hence A can be appeared here. Then we need to see here BC 1 1 1 0. For these two cells BC is 1 1 1 0. So C is changing 1 to 0, but B is constant 1. hence I can write that this is AB. Similarly, you can write here this is A, so A is 0, so for these two variable, for these two combination, A is constant, that is 0, so this is A bar, and we have BC, that is 0 1 1 1, so C is constant here, that is C, so A bar C, so you can write here A bar C. So finally this F is AB or A bar C. First you need to write the individual cells, after that you need to add it, AB or A bar C, because this cell is AB, this cell is A bar C, then you need to combine that result, AB or A bar C. So homework question for you, try this question and finally give the result. So minimize the function f ABC. This is a homework question for you. You please try it at home. If at all any doubt arises, you can ask me. So minimize f ABC, summation of 0 1 2 5 6 7. 0 1 2 5 6 7. Please try this question. This is a homework question for you. The minimized function f ABC, which is given as 0 1 2 5 6 and 7. 0 1 2 5 6 and 7. So next we will see so before I teach the next question, you need to see some so in K-map actually see some concept. So in K-map, either the cells are filled up by 1 or 0, or this is your don't care. This cross symbol stands for don't care. Don't care. This can be either 0, this can be either 0 or 1. So this don't care condition often come across here in sequential circuits or in many combination circuits as well. This don't care stands for, which means if there is the input combination is not known to you and there is some output, that condition is known as your don't care condition. Suppose there is a situation where we have a known output but we don't know what is the combination of input. In that case, this don't care we take, where the input and output combinations are not known to us. That is treated as a don't care. This can be either 0 or 1 depending on the minimization expression. So student, remember this symbol cross means here don't care, and this can be either 0 or 1 depending on the situation of minimization. So let us see one problem so that we have a clarity how to use this don't care condition, at which cases you need to consider this don't care and at which cases you no need to consider this don't care even though it is present in the K-map. So let us solve some questions by using K-map. First I will solve some simple expression. Again the question is same, minimize the expression. So f AB, which is equal to summation of M03 plus summation of don't care, that is D1. So hence, how to solve this question? This don't care is denoted by D1. One is the one is, so at the one number of cell you need to take it as cross X, that is your don't care. Don't care stands for D here. So D here means don't care. So you have a single don't care, and this is your min terms. So you have two min terms and we have a one don't care cases here. So how to draw a two variable K map? So two variable, how many number of cells? Two variables, we have 2 square, which is equal to 4 number of cell. So need to take it as 4 number of cell. This is your A, this is B, as the variable is given as AB. In place of AB, they can give you X and Y. They can give you X and Y. So here we can write X and here Y. So 0, 1. So this cell is 0 and 1. So 0, 0, this cell is 0, 0, 1, this cell is 1, 1, 0, this cell is 2, 1, 1, this cell is 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 and 3 is M, that is summation M, that means min terms. If that min terms are present 0 and 3, so you need to take it as 1 and 1. 2 is not present, so this is 0. But 1 is considered as don't care, so we can take it here as don't care. So as I have told you, this can be either 0 or 1. This can be either 0 or 1. So for this, so we can combine this, because this is 1, this is 1. We cannot combine this and this, but we can combine this. Again, we can also combine these two. So here, since we are combining with 1, that means this don't care is 1. So you need to take it as 1. That's why this is possible. This combination is possible. If you take it as 0, then how we can combine this? We need to combine all the ones only. In case of sum of product or min terms. So 1 and cross. That means first we will write this expression. So how to write? Here B is constant. So B. Here A bar is constant, but because 0 and 1 are changing, but A is constant. So A bar. So finally the expression will be A bar or B. A bar or B. So this is the expression for your K map of by using your don't care. Then we will solve one more problem on this don't care condition. So the question is, if ABC, which is equal to summation of zero, 1, 4 and 5, or don't care we have 2 and 3. Don't care we have 2 and 3. So how to draw? Because this is a 3 variable K map, again we need to draw it as 8 cells. This is A, this is BC. So this is 0, 1, this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is your 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 6. So as we have min terms, first we need to fill up this min term 0, 1, 4, 5, 0, 1, 4, 5. Then we have 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is your don't care. Remaining 6 and 7 we need to fill it as 0. So 1 1 cross cross 1 1 and then 0 0. This cross means you don't care. So first you will need to see whether this 8 possible combinations is possible or not. 8 cells we can combine it or not. Since you can see here we have 2 zeros present, so we cannot combine all the 8 cells at a time. So next we will have to see 4 possible combination is possible or not. Yes, this is possible. So we can say, sir, 1 1 cross cross. We can see if it is possible the combination of all the ones, so no need to touch this, don't care. No need to touch this, don't care. So student generally made mistake here. They take 1 1 and this don't care, and they said that this can be either 0 or 1. If it is 1 present here, and you can see a big group can be formed by using all the ones, so no need to take this, don't care. So here there is no significance of don't care. That means this don't care is treated as 0. This don't care is treated as 0 here. So this is 0, this is 0. So no need to touch 0. So we can form a big group by using only the combination of 1 only. So the answer will be here 0 1 is changing, 0 1 is changing. So 0 0 is constant. B 0, this B is 0. Hence the answer will be B bar. So F is equal to B bar is the answer. B bar is the answer for this minimized expression. So next one question for you. So minimize, this is a homework question for you. F ABC is equal to 0 1 6 7 plus don't care of 3 and 5. This can be 3 and 5. So this is a homework question for you. So try it at home. If at all any doubt arises, you can ask me. You can directly contact me. Next we will solve one 4 variable K map. As I have told you, they will surely ask you some questions on 4 variable K map. So the 4 variable K map is F the question they will ask you, minimize the 4 variable K, minimize this expression by using K map. So the variable given is A, B, C, D. So it is of course you can see here this is a 4 variable K map. So how many number of cells possible? 2 to the power 4, that is 16 cells. And the minimized expression M summation of M. This summation means addition of all the minterms. Addition of all the minterms. So summation of 0 1 3 5 7 0 1 3 5 7 8 9 11 13 15 8 9 11 13 and 15. So of course this is a 4 variable K map, that's why the range is from 0 to 15. So these are the minterms are present, remainings are absent. Here we don't have any don't care conditions, so no need to consider about that cross, just forget about it. This is only given a minterms expression. So first we need to draw a 4 variable K map. So this variable is AB, this is CD, this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. So this cell number is 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6, then we have 8 9 11 10, then we have 12 13 15 and 14. First draw the K map like this 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 and naming the all the cells number. You need to careful here. Students generally make mistake here. They made always a mistake. They write 8 9 11 10 in a hurry. They write 8 9 11 10 in the third row, 12 13 15 14 in the fourth row. But as I have already told you why this is 12 13 15 14, because we are using here gray codes. What is the benefit of using gray code? Because the consecutive cells are differ by only 1 bits. So we can see here 0 1 3 5 7 8 9 11 13 and 15. So this 0 can be 1 1, we have 3, we have 5, then we have 7, then we have 8 9 11 13 and 15, 8 9 11 13 and 15. So first you need to see remaining terms are 0, remaining terms are 0. So all the cells are now filled up. Then we need to see whether all the 16 cells we can combine or not. So it is not possible to combine all the 16 cells. Sir, if at all the 16 cells are 1, that means the answer will be 1. The answer will be 1. But here all the 16 cells are not possible. Then you need to see the next higher group, that is your 8 cell possible combination. Whether it is possible to combine 8 cell at a time. Yes, it is possible, because 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 1. So this is a big 8 cells we can see here. So we can combine this 8 cell. Then we need to see whether 4 possible combination is possible. No, we cannot see any 4 possible combination, because here one terms is present, here one terms is present. But we can combine this one terms by using this 1 and this 1. 0 0 1 0. These two cells are adjacent. Why adjacent? Because 0 0 0 0, this is 1 0 0 0. So only one terms. This cell and these cells are adjacent. This cell and these cells are adjacent. This cell, this cell, this cell, this cell are combinedly adjacent. So the answer will be, for this combination, the answer will be 0 1 1 1. Here this AB are changing. Here only the answer will be D. Answer will be D, because D is constant. Remaining all AB totally changing. C is also changing. The remaining is D. Then we have this cell 0 0 1 0 1. So AB is changing. Here constant is CD. So C bar and D bar. This is your C bar and D bar. So finally we can write here sorry, I have made a mistake here actually. So it is next we need to see whether actually here 1 1 and this 1 1, we can take it as combined 1 1. So this cell is D, this is here 4 possible combination is possible. So if 4 possible combination is possible and you are taking 2 possible combination, then the answer will also, the answer will obviously comes out as a wrong answer. So you need to take the 4 possible. First you need to obviously see the 16, then 8, then 4. Then if 4 possible combination not possible, then you have to go for 2 possible combination. Then we have 1. So 4 possible combination, this means 0 0 0 1 and this is 0 0 1 0. So here 0 0 is constant. So B bar, for this expression this is your B bar. 0 0 0 1, so this is your C bar. So answer will be combinedly F is equal to D plus B bar C bar. F is equal to D plus B bar C bar. So in this way we can design the 4 variable K map. So next I will solve one more question for you in 4 variable K map, and the question is and the question given is 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15, and we have also a don't care condition here. So obviously we need to take here one more variable, that is 0, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Then we have don't care in 2, 8 and 10. 2, 8 and 10. So need to minimize the above question. So question is given like this: M is 0, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. We have don't care like 2, 8 and 10. So 0 is filled as 1, then we have 5, then we have 7, then we have 9, 11, 13 and 15, and the don't care is 2, 8 and 10. The remaining are 0. The remaining terms, min terms, we can fill it as 0. So next we will have to solve. Now all the cells are filled up, so need to see whether 16 possible combination is possible or not. Since here 0, 0, 0, 0 is present, so no need to consider the 16 possible combination. Thereafter we have to see 8 possible combination. So we cannot see any 8 possible combination as well. Whether we have to take 4 possible combination. Yes, it is possible to combine 4 possible combination. This is 1, this 1, 1, 1, 1. These adjacent cells are can be combined. Again, this 1, 1 we can fill it as this, like this 1, 1, 1, 1. This 4 possible combination is also possible. Then we have left out only 1 here, but we have don't care, don't care, don't care. This kernel, always remember, these kernels are also adjacent. These are looking, because you can fold here. This is it. I am drawing this K map on a plane, but this is a 3-dimensional, and here 0, 0, 1, 0 are differ by only, we can see here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, differ by only 1 bit. 1, 0, 1, 0, they are also differ by only 1 bit. 1, 0, 1, here 1, 0, 0, 0. So these all the 4 cells, these 4 kernels are also adjacent. These 4, remember this in 16 variable K map, these 4 kernels are adjacent. They will certainly ask you like question like this, so you can combine like this. So I am taking this don't care, so taking this don't care, we are combining it 1, so this don't care is also 1. This don't care can be either 0 or 1. So the answer will be, first you need to write for this middle group 1, 1, 1, 1. So here this 1 is constant here, so answer will be B. Answer will be B and D. B and D. Then we have 1, 1, 1, 1. Here the A will be constant for this cell. A and 1, 1. AD. So BD, AD. Then we have 1 cross, cross, cross. So this can be treated as 1. So here 0 is constant for this I am writing here 0 is constant, so we have B bar, then we have here 0 is constant, another D bar. So answer will be BD or AD or B bar D bar. So this is the answer for the above K-map minimization. So practice more and more questions on K-map so that we will have a command over it, and while we will study about the sequential circuits and combinatorial circuits, that will be very much helpful for you. So have a command over this K-map. This is very, very important. The next class also I will solve few questions and a homework question for you. The question is F ABCD, which is equal to 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. This is given as 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 13 and 15. Thereafter we have a don't care of 0, 1, 2. So try at this question. This is a homework question for you. So that's the end of this class. If at all any doubt arises, you can ask me. But first we solve more and more problems on this K-map from the book Anand Kumar. There are a lot many questions present in that book. So try to solve more and more questions on K-map. So in the next class we will finish up this K-map and start your combinational circuit. Thank you.